Hi, this is the HUAWEI P10 Lite and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. First we should open the settings and then tap to wireless networks. Click to Wi-Fi section, and to activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, we should click here to the switcher. After deactivating the Wi-Fi option, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from them. Here enter the password and then just tap to connect. Wait a couple of seconds and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click to this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. After that, just select the network, enter the password and connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.